Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Maxcio Smart LED Strip Light. Hopefully this video will help you with your buying decision. Inside the box there is a remote, a spider T used as an infrared receiver and Wi-Fi controller, mounting clips to attach the strip light to your desired surface, an instruction manual, an adapter, the RGB LED strip light, spare adhesive tape, wet screen cleaning cloths for the remote, and finally a spare battery for the remote. Taking a closer look at the RGB LED strip, you will see two connectors, one at each end. The additional connector can be used to connect another RGB LED strip to this one. You can peel away the back of the strip to stick the lights to the surface of your choice. The strip comes in various lengths and the lights are multicoloured. It is best used for indoors as it is not waterproof. It is not recommended to cut the strips, however if you actually need to, you will need to purchase extra connectors. Now let's set up the LED strip light. First connect the adapter to your spider T box. Then use one of the connectors on your LED strip light and connect it to your spider T box. Make sure the two arrows are facing each other directly. Finally, connect your adapter to the mains. You can now control your LED strip light using your remote, the Smart Life app, or using voice commands on Alexa or Google Home. So let's start with the remote. First you will need to remove the plastic stopper at the bottom. Then point your remote towards the infrared receiver. You have the on and off buttons. You also have red, green and blue among other colours. The up and down arrows increase or reduce the brightness. You then have white colour with 25% brightness, 50%, 75% and 100%. And you have different flashing options. On the right hand side you have 3 buttons for music. With these buttons the light will dance to the beat of the music. This is because the strip has a built-in high sensitive mic. Finally, you can set timers 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours and 8 hours. Now let's have a look at the Smart Life app. Here you can power on your LED strip light. You can also change the colour by moving your fingers around the circle. You can also increase or reduce the brightness. You can also select mode and have a different flashing option. For example, you have smooth, flash and music. With the music option, the LED strip light will dance to the beat of the music by changing the colour and rhythm. You can also change your music style, tune the mic's sensitivity and change the speed. You can also set a timer to turn on or off your LED strip light. To add a timer, tap on Add, select the time and the repetition. Let's say Sunday to Saturday. Then choose to turn your LED strip light on or off. I will keep it on. Tap Save. This means your LED strip light will turn on automatically every day at 17:30. Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to set up your Maxcio Smart LED strip light with the Smart Life app. You can also control your LED strips using voice commands on Alexa. To turn off your LED strips, simply say, Alexa, turn off LED strip. To turn it on, just say, Alexa, turn on LED strip. To change the colour, you can say, Alexa, set LED strip to blue. Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to set up your LED strip light with Amazon Alexa. You can also control your LED strip lights using voice commands on Google Home. To turn off your LED strips, simply say, "Hey Google, turn off LED strip." To turn it on, just say, "Hey Google, turn on LED strip." To change the color, you can say, "Hey Google, change LED strip to blue." Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to set up your LED strip light with Google Home. The LED strip looks fantastic in the house. It's safe and easy to use, produces a lovely atmosphere, and is great for Christmas or as a permanent addition to your room. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below this video. With quick tips too, knowledge has no limits.